Hello, my name is Dr. Frank Femino. I'm the medical director of the Orthopedic Joint and Spine Institute at Clara Maass Medical Center in Belleville, New Jersey. Clara Maass is a part of the St. Barnabas healthcare system. I'm talking to you today to tell you about the Orthopedic Joint and Spine Institute at Clara Maass and what it can do to help patients recover from hip and knee surgery. The Joint and Spine Institute has been a part of the medical center for the past 3 years. It's been very successful in getting patients through their surgery and through the recovery process without much difficulty and with great outcomes. The way it works is a patient is seen by an orthopedic surgeon like myself in the office, and if they're a good candidate for a hip or a knee replacement, we enroll them in this program through the hospital. This program allows for a seamless transition from preoperative through the surgery and into the postoperative period so that there's a continuous stream of care for the patient that allows them to recover quickly and with very little inconvenience. The way I think of a hip or a knee replacement is it's a happy occasion where someone is getting better from a condition that's been debilitating and painful for a long time. And this temporary inconvenience is softened by the program that's in place at the Joint and Spine Institute. The way it works is I schedule a patient for, let's say, a knee replacement. Then I prepare them for the surgery in my office and explain everything thoroughly. Then they go through a program at the hospital which involves an educational process. There's a joint class which is taught prior to surgery, which teaches the patients what to expect. And all family members and friends are welcome to attend as well so that everyone knows what's going to happen. Then the patients come on the day of surgery and have their operation. During the postoperative period and recovery, there's an excellent pain management protocol which we deploy, which drastically reduces the amount of pain that the patients experience. Prior to this type of pain management, the knee replacements and the hip replacements often had a very tumultuous recovery with a lot of pain. This is no longer the case. With current pain management techniques, the patients experience a recovery that is very tolerable and oftentimes often enjoyable. A number of patients have told me that they've had no pain after their knee or hip replacement and have had a great recovery. The following days in the hospital are marked by treatment with an excellent nursing staff who's a veteran nursing staff in orthopedic surgery. They give quality care and excellent surveillance of the patient's needs. The physical therapy department also is involved with getting the patients out of bed and helping them to walk and to learn how to go up and down stairs immediately. This happens in a rapid progression, and by the third day usually patients are ready to go home or sometimes to a subacute facility for additional therapy. This applies to the hip patients as well as the knee patients. These patients do very well, and typically by 6 weeks are back to all normal activities such as driving or playing tennis or golf. I've had patients tell me quite often that they should have had the procedure done sooner. They didn't realize how nice everyone was at the hospital and would have been much less apprehensive and would have done it much sooner if they knew then what they know now following their surgery. My patients typically by 3 to 6 months are doing all normal activities and almost have forgotten that they've had their surgery done. That's how well they feel. And I know that they're asked to fill out surveys through the hospital to indicate their experience, and we get an overwhelmingly positive response for the Joint and Spine Institute program that's in place at Clara Maass Medical Center. So I hope this answers some of your questions that you may have regarding undergoing the experience of hip or knee replacement at Clara Maass, and I hope that the questions answered on the website, if you want to refer to that, are also fulfilling for your needs. Thank you.